Okay, so since your step number 2 is true, okay, because 1 is less than 3, 2 is less than 3, and 2 is equal to 2. So your step number 2 will become true. So if it is true, we are going to step number 3, correct? So that is work is equal to work plus allocation of I, correct? So work is equal to work plus I value is what here? 1 alwa. So allocation of 1 we have to check, correct? What is the work value? It is 332. So I will update that one. 3, 3, 2. So what is your allocation of 1? So you have to check in your table, which is given in your problem, correct? Allocation of 1. What is allocation of 1?
200.
Yes, correct. 200. So write that one here. That's it. 200. So what is your answer? Add these two things. 3 plus 2, how much?
5.
5. 3 plus 0, how much?
3.
2 plus 0, how much?
2.
2. Correct. Is it right? After that, what we have to do? We have to make that process as completed, correct? Once you allocate the resources means that process will complete its execution anta artha. So what we have to make? We have to make finish as true, correct? So that's why we are writing here TRUE. That's it. Is it clear whether we are solving it according to the algorithm? Can you see here according to the algorithm? If the step number 2 is true, we are going to step number 3. Work is equal to work plus allocation. Then make finish of I is equal to true. That's it. Correct? Afterwards, what we have to do? Yen madbeko? Go to step number 2. Step number 2 andre eno? We have to consider the next process anta artha. Am I clear with this? Right. Okay. So you'll note it. So we have to write the safe sequence also. Safe sequence andre eno? I have discussed it in the last class. Correct? I have given a definition of it. Safe sequence indicates it is the order in which the processes has completed their execution and released their resources anta artha. Am I clear? So which process has first completed its execution? ಯಾವ process complete ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಈಗ execution?
P1.
P1. So right here P1 in the answer inside the angular bracket. Clear with this? Okay, hope you have taken this one. Right. So that's it. Okay, so next what we have to do? Consider the next process. And so once again go back, consider the next process. That is I is equal to 2 na consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, right. So go to the next slide. Okay. So you can see here I have written I is equal to 2 means I am considering the next process. So same process will repeat now. Work is equal to available. Okay, now observe this carefully. You have to tell what is your value for this. Work is equal to available is equal to what now? Yen ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವೀಗ? See, you should not write here 332. It is wrong because in the previous step, can you see here? We have calculated the new work. Can you see here? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? The highlighted part here. What is the new value which you have calculated for the work? Respond.
532.
Right. So that value you have to use for the next process anta artha. Is it clear? So in this particular process I is equal to 1, I have taken it as 332. Why? Because we have not calculated the value here. That's why same value I have used. But here we have calculated the new value. So that value I have to use it for the next process anta artha. Clear? Okay. So we will be using this in the next process 532. So work is equal to available is equal to 532. That's it. And make finish of 2 is equal to false. So that will be your first step in safety algorithm. Next, step number 2A, make finish of 2 is equal to false. So it is indicating that process P2 has not completed its execution. Next, check need of 2 is less than or equal to work anta check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So work ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇದು 5 3 2. So what is your need of 2? So you have to check in the need matrix column. Okay. So I will show that one. This is your need matrix column. What is the value of process P2?
600.
Correct. So use that one here. Need 2 is 600. Clear with this? Okay. Check whether it is true or false. Is 6 less than 5?
No, sir.
No. So no need to consider the remaining values. You can directly write it as false. That's it. Okay. ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್, if false means what we have to do? So go back to the next process. So consider the next process. So that's why I have written I is equal to 3. So I am considering the next process. So do the same thing. You can observe now we have not calculated the new work. So I have to use the same value for the process 3 also. Correct? So what is your work value now? Work is equal to available. It will be 5, 3, 2, because we have not calculated the new work. So that's why we have to consider the previous value itself. Right. Next, make finish of 3 is equal to false. That is the initialization step, that which is over. Next, go to step number 2. Finish of 3 is equal to false, which indicates that process P3 has not completed its execution. Fine. Next, go to step number 2B. Need 3 is less than or equal to work. We have to check. So first fill that value. Work means 5, 3, 2. Fine. Next. So your need value you have to check in the need matrix column. Correct? So need matrix column is this. What is the value for P3?
011.
Correct. So
011.
use that one here, 011. So simultaneously, please take down in your book also 011. So check whether it is true or false. 0 less than 5, 1 less than 3, 1 less than 2. So it is true. So we have written it is true. So go to the step number 3. So step number 3, what we are doing? We are doing work is equal to work plus allocation of I. So what is the value of I now? I value is 3. So that's why we have written allocation of 3 anta barididi. So fill these blank values. Work value enide 5, 3, 2. So what is your allocation value? So you have to check in your problem. Correct? Allocation of 3. What is allocation of 3?
211.
Right, correct. So use that value here. 2, 1, 1. So add ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
740.
7,
3.
4, 3. Correct. Right. Okay. What is the next thing we have to do? We have to make that process as completed because you have allocated that resources alwa. So you have to make that process as finished. So finish of 3 is equal to true anta baritivi. Now can you tell what is the safety sequence now?
P3.
P1, P3.
P1 and P3. It is not just P3 because P1 has already executed. No, you have to consider that one also. First P1 has completed. Now P3 has completed anta baribeku. Is it clear? Okay. So this is your safety sequence. Okay. Means in this order, the processes has completed their execution anta artha. Okay. Fine. Next, what we have to do? Repeat the same procedure. Consider the next process. Okay. Right. I will move to the next slide now. I is equal to 4. So I is equal to 4. So what is your work value now? What we have to consider now?
743.
Yeah, you have to consider the previous value, right? What is the previous value of work? It is 743, correct? So that I am considering now. So write it here. Work is equal to available is equal to 743. That's it. And initialize your finish of 4 is equal to false. That is your step number 1. Step number 2a, finish of 4 is equal to false. It is fine. Check need 4 is less than or equal to work anta check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. What is your work value? 7, 4, 3. So you have to check what is the need value. So go to your need matrix. What is the need matrix for 4?
431.
Correct. 4, 3, 1. So use that one here. 4, 3, 1. So is it true or false?
True.
True.
True. Correct. Write that one. 4 is less than 7, 3 is less than 4, 1 is less than 3. So it is true. If it is true, go to step number 3. That is work is equal to work plus allocation of I. So write the work value initially 7, 4, 3. So what is your allocation value? Go to your problem. Allocation of 4. Esto? Allocation of 4.
02.
0, 0, 2. Correct. So write that one here. 0, 0, 2. So add ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
7, 4, 5.
Correct. 7, 4, 5. That's it. So make finish of 4 is equal to true. So now tell what is the safety sequence now?
P1, P3, P4.
Correct. P1, P3 and P4. So this is the order in which processes has completed their executions ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ process ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Observe this what I have written here. What are the processes which are not executed so far? ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು execute ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ? It is P0 and it is P2. Correct? So you can pick any process you want. So in your textbook they have taken P2 first and later they have considered P0. It is left to you. ಯಾವ process ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Okay? Am I clear with this? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will consider process P2 now because these two are remaining. So once again apply your safety algorithm. I is equal to 0. What is your work value now? What is your work value?
7, 4, 5.
7, 4.
Correct. So please take down 7, 4 and 5 and make finish of 0 is equal to false initially. Right. Apply step number 2. Need of 0 is less than or equal to work check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. 7, 4, 5. What is your need 0? Check here. What is need 0?
7, 4, 3. 7, 4, 3.
So write that one. 7, 4, 3. Is it true or false? 7 is equal to 7. 4 is equal to 4. 3 is less than 5. True or false?
True. True.
Write that one. So is it clear? Okay. So initially the process P0 was not executed. Now it is going to execute anta artha. Am I clear with this? Okay. So apply step number 3. Work is equal to work plus allocation of 0. So write your work value 7, 4, 5 and allocation value for process 0. What is allocation value for process 0?
0, 1, 0, 1,
0, 1, 0. Please write that one. 0, 1, 0. So add ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
7, 5, 5.
7, 5, 5. Okay. So make that process as completed. So finish of 0 is equal to true ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. So what is your safety sequence now?
P1, P3, P4, P0.
Correct. So P1, P3, P4 and it is P0. Correct? Okay. So which process is remaining now? Last. ಯಾವ್ದು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಈಗ?
P2. P2.
P2. So consider that last one. That's it. What is your work value now?
7, 5, 5.
So use that one in the next process. Okay. So I will consider I is equal to 2 now. So work is equal to available is equal to how much? 7, 5, 5. Correct? and make that value initially false. So finish of 2 is equal to false. Next, come to second step. Need of 2 is less than or equal to work anta check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So work value is 7, 5, 5. What is your need value for process P2? ಎಷ್ಟು?
600.
Correct. So use that one. 600. So is it true or false? 6 is less than 7.
True.
0 is less than 5. 0 is less than 5. So it is true. Correct. So go to step number 3 now. Work is equal to work plus allocation of 2. So write your work value first. 7, 5, 5. What is your allocation of 2? ಎಷ್ಟು?
302.
Correct. So use that one. 3, 0, 2. Add ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
10, 5, 7.
10, 5, 7. Okay, so make that process as completed. So finish of 2 is equal to true anta ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So what is the safety sequence now?
P1, P3, P4, P0, P2.
Correct. So P1, P3, P4, P0, P2. Okay, fine. See, in your textbook, they have considered the process P2 first. Afterwards, they have considered the process P0. Okay. So the order, you can see the change in the safety sequence order in your textbook. It is showing P2 and P0. So since I have considered the process P0 first, so that's why I have written here P0 and P2. Both are same. Okay. There is no problem at all. Only thing is you have to show at the end of your safety algorithm, all the processes have to execute successfully. That is what your intention in safety algorithm. If all processes have completed their execution, it means what? It means what according to your safety algorithm? If all processes have completed
System is
their
safe.
execution, it means system is in safe state anta artha. Correct alva? What is the problem they have asked? Check whether system is safe or not. What is your answer now? What is your answer now? Whether your system is safe or not?
Safe.
Safe, correct? So see, for writing this safe sequence, there is some marks allotted. Am I clear? So just like how your marks will be allotted for writing the need matrix, no? Like that, some marks is also allotted for writing the safe sequence anta artha. Okay, right. Now observe this. So this is just for your reference. I have written what I have written. Observe this. According to the safe sequence, we have observed that all processes which have entered the system, correct, have finished their task successfully, okay, and released their resources which they were holding. Okay, you'll observe madi. How many resources you got at the end of the execution of all processes? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 10, 5, 7. Correct. What were the initial resources you had in your system before allocation? ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ? How much? 10, 5, 7. Correct. Before allocating any resources, how many resources you had? 10, 5, 7. Now observe this. After completion of execution, how many resources you had? 10, 5, 7. It should be matching. Idu match agbeku. That's what I have written here. The number of available resources after execution is equal to the number of resources which were initially present in your system. ಅವೆರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅವು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ there is some mistake while solving your problem ಅಂತ. Am I clear with this? how to check whether there is any error in your problem ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು when all processes have completed their execution. Am I clear with this? Okay, so no need to write all these things. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು only this much is enough. Writing the safe sequence and writing the statement that system is in safe state ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು. That's it. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು all these things I have written. Am I clear with this? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? So what is your last step? Finish of I is equal to true. Is it true? Is it true?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So I value is 0. I value is 1. I value is 2. I value 3. And finally I value 4. It means all processes has finished their execution anta artha. So that is the last step of your safety algorithm. It indicates that the system is in safe state anta artha. So that is the end of your problem. So ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 10 to 12 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Am I clear with this? Okay. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Okay, so please I will be sharing this particular slide to you. So please go through this particular slide once, and I will also share the today's recording also. Nodkali, you can easily solve the problem. Very simple problem. Only thing is you must do the proper additions. That's it. Okay, yavaga value na use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, how to calculate the need matrix, all these things you should do it in a proper way. Then only you will get the answer correctly. Am I clear? Okay, so fine. So let's end the today's session. So thank you for joining the today's session. Okay, so try to solve the problems like this. So the lot of problems they will be discussing in your question papers. So I'll be doing that one in the next upcoming classes. Fine. So thank you for joining the today's session.